Hi guys, today is lesson 5 on the topic representing data, with the aim of the unit to understand how data can be represented in images, sound and text. Today's lesson is on text files, and today's lesson aim is learning how data gets from your keyboard to your screen. The objective of today's lesson is that you must understand how text gets from your keyboard to your screen. You should recognize that the Ascii table is the same anywhere in the world and stands for American Standard Code of Information Interchange. And the last objective is that you should understand that binary is turned into letters using the Ascii table. So, without further ado, click on the link to the Teach ICT website. Click on Lesson 5, Pupil Resources, and log in using the data I've given you in the assignment. So, once on the website, I need you to carefully read all the way down to the first video. And then you can pause this video to watch that one. Make sure you watch it all, as the information is important for the next task. After the video, you need to go to the Test Yourself task and answer the question by picking an answer and then submitting. And it'll tell you if you've got it right or wrong. I'm assuming you can retry this once or twice if you get them wrong, just for being a completionist. So, next is the table of ASCII code. Now this table is important for the task that is sitting in your hand-in box, and you will need to pay close attention to this table in order to complete that task. Notice that the key you press on the keyboard is on the left hand side. In the middle column is the ASCII code in decimal, which isn't important right now, but you still will need to complete the task. And in the third column you have the binary number, and that is the ones and zeros, or the ons and offs, that are associated with that letter or that ASCII code, and all of them are interchangeable. After you've looked at the table, first of all, you will see this here. Now this is the task that is sitting in your hand-in box, so you do not need to download this document, but you may want to look at the answers. So, to carry on after that task, keep reading down, and then you'll have another task that you might want to try. Now, for today's lesson, that's as far as I want you to go, although you may want to try the rest as an extension, but that is up to you. The last task I want you to do today is using the ASCII table. I want you to create a new Google Doc, and I want you to write your name, the first line of your address, in binary. That's the ones and zeros. So you need to look at the numbers and the characters. And guys, just to remind you, lowercase and higher case letters have different codes. So when you are writing the binary, it's important to look at, for example, if my name was Ian, I would look for the capital I, which would be somewhere down here, and I would use this set of binary characters as binary characters. Then I would do the rest in lowercase, so A and N. Okay, I hope that makes sense, guys. What I'll also do in the hand-in box is you'll have an example document so that you can see how I want you to complete this task. Don't forget your titles when you are creating a document. I hope that's okay for today, guys. I didn't want to make it too difficult as the last one on this. The very last thing you need to do is then to fill in the final document of a summary of all the things we have done in this course, and there is a PowerPoint dedicated to everything we have covered, so you can just refresh your memories if you want to. If there's any issues, guys, just let me know, and hopefully the next thing we do will be some coding. See you soon.